News that's coming in with regards to the NEET paper leak case that has come to the fore. The CBI has arrested a journalist called Jamaluddin in the NEET case. The journalist has been arrested from Hazaribagh in Jharkhand. The CBI is conducting searches at 7 locations in Gujarat. 7 locations across 4 districts are being searched and several places are being raided in the state of Gujarat. Raids currently taking place in Godhra, in Kheda, in Anand and in Ahmedabad. Journalist Jamaluddin has been arrested from Hazaribagh. This is the latest that is coming in with regards to the CBI that has now taken over the NEET case. In the CBI investigation, they are trying to connect the dots. The dots are leading to the state of Bihar, the state of Jharkhand and even the state of Uttar Pradesh. CBI is conducting searches at 7 locations in the state of Gujarat with regards to the NEET case. 7 locations across 4 districts. As we speak, there are 7 locations where raids are currently taking places. Raids taking places in Godhra, in Kheda, in Anand and in Ahmedabad. My colleague Shreya is now joining me on the story. Shreya, the arrest of one journalist has taken place, a journalist called Jamaluddin. The arrest has taken place from Hazaribagh. The CBI simultaneously is conducting raids and searches in multiple locations.
Well, yes, Aishwarya, the Central Bureau of Investigation took over the NEET malpractices case, looking over the larger nexus that happened in the entire country, not just the investigation in Bihar, the investigation pertaining to Godhra, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, all of these are now being looked into by the CBI. But in particularly in the Bihar paper leak module case, the CBI had already arrested 2 people initially. Now, subsequently, 2 more was arrested day before, linked to the center from where the paper leak, which was located in Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Now, one journalist in a local news paper agency has been arrested right now. His role was being probed earlier when the principal of the center was arrested. He is closely connected. So the CBI is cracking its whip now against those who have been actively linked into the NEET malpractices. That is where the investigation pertains now. Simultaneously, there are raids that have also happened in several locations pertaining to the case in Godhra in Gujarat.
Thank you for giving us all those details.